All right, everyone. So I did a quick unboxing. So I want to thank Avi over at CarPro for sending these products over to me. So these are going to get reviewed. So Avi saw my review that I did of Elixir on the AutoGeek forum and CarPro forum. I also put it on Utopia, and I also put it on the CarPro Facebook group. So he liked the review, and he asked me if I'd be willing to review some of the newer products from CarPro. Just to get them out on the market, get them exposure, I should say, so that people are aware of some of the new products. He also offered if to pay for a review. He didn't have to pay for a review. I'm not here to receive payment for anything. Most of the time I pay for products unless somebody asks me to review something, then I'll let you guys know. So I want to thank Alvi for sending all these products out for review. He's going to keep me busy, so he tossed in an extra bottle of Elixir. So if you guys haven't tried this, definitely recommend it. Pick it up. Real good product. Works great on really any ceramic coating, but it works great with Seacourse UK and TiO2, and then also on top of Gliss. So real fantastic product. So he sent over their new multi-purpose cleaner Multi-X, which you can use exterior and interior. So I'm going to look to play around with this. And of course these have the new CarPro labels on there with their new products. He sent over the Suede Blocks. These are the thinner ones, so they're smaller in size. If you guys can see the size on there. These are, I actually bought myself some of these and actually tried them out, and they actually work really well. So he just included, these are going to be an extra set. I used some of these for dressing trim areas with CarPro Deluxe. These are good to have. He sent over their new tire swipe, so I'm looking to play around with these. And I don't know if you guys can see this. It's got the new CarPro logo on there, so I'm going to be playing around with these. I was actually going to pick these up from SkyCare, or I forget what it is, the CarPro USA store. So he sent over these. He sent over their new inner scrub. This is their interior glove. So you guys can see it's a polyester blend microfiber. So this is actually, it feels kind of rough on here, so it's kind of a weird feeling. So, but it's basically a glove. So you just put your hand in here, and then you can just grab the surface and go over with your cleaner, like Multi-X if you wanted to use that on the interior, or maybe CarPro inside to clean your leather seats. So I'm probably just gonna go ahead and give this a try, maybe with some Multi-X. Kind of play around with the interior cleaner part of it, just clean my steering wheel. My interior is really clean, so I'll have to find an interior that's a little bit sees a little bit more abuse, let's put it that way. So that's a new product for 2019 as well. These are new for 2019. These two are new for 2019. These glass, he sent me their glass towel. This has got, I believe, a foam core in the middle. Yeah, so it's got a sponge core right in the middle. And it's so I'm going to try this one out as well, probably during the next wash. So he sent over that. He sent over their new Dehydrate microfiber drying towel. It's a dual-sided towel. So I'll give you guys a shot at, a quick video of how this works. And you guys can actually read up on it here. This is actually a nice towel. I opened just the edge of it. So it's got the twisted loop style here, kind of like the Geon silk dryer, or the Griot's PFM, but it's got two sides to it. So this side you would use to dry your paint, and then this side is meant to dry the glass. So it serves two purposes on there. He also sent over these microfiber pads. They're called Cool Pad microfiber. So I'll try these out. They have a plastic interface here, which is an interesting design here. So I'll look to see if I can try these out. It's got like a Velcro, almost looks like a Velcro in there, hook and loop system. So I'm going to try these out. I do have their CarPro Clear Cut and CarPro Fixer. So I can try that with their compound to see how they play with each other, or I can just try with a different compound as well. But they feel like I'm not too sure what the design feature is here, but it's like a short nap microfiber. So he sent those, and then he sent over, this is not a new product, but this is their wash mitt here. So you guys can kind of see the description of it. So this I could probably use my next wash, just to give you guys an idea. But you put your hand in here, and it's got the separator up here, so you can just grab your mitt and just go over it. It's real soft microfiber material, so you're not going to be scratching the paint with this wash mitt, so it feels real nice. He also sent over there's a side here, their new towels. They're not new towels, I should say. They're rebranded with their new logo. So if I flip over to the tag, these are their two-face microfiber towels, 320 GSM. There's two colors, so it's got the orange and the blue. I've purchased these before in the past. These are great towels for coating removal and even polish removal, compounded polishes. So these are great towels to have. He also sent me the new version of Gliss and the new packaging. I didn't have to open this one yet. But the difference between this and version 1 is this one's designed to be more durable than the previous version. The new packaging looks really nice. So maybe I can put this, I may just sacrifice a couple panels on my car, the day driver that you guys have seen with Sequartz UK and Gliss version 1. I may just polish off the doors side by side, do Gliss version 1 and Gliss version 2, or possibly just do the roof and see how long Gliss lasts on there. So I may just do that. I may just polish off the roof and do that. He also sent me this is new product for 2019 as well. Their new skin, PPF, and vinyl wrapping coating. This is, like I said, you can use it for paint protection film, matte finishes, vinyl. So this is a new product for 2019. I got to figure out where I can use this. I do have a vinyl piece on my Camaro, gloss vinyl, so I can probably put this on there. I do have headlight protection film on my headlights, so maybe I can just give those a quick polish to remove whatever coating's on there and put this on there, so I can give that a shot, see how it performs over time. Let's see, the other thing he included, put this wash mitt on this over here real quick. He included a polo, and I thank him for including that. You can got the CarPro logo on there, so thanks Avi for the polo, and he guessed the right size as well. Put these back over here. He included the brochures for skin. These are real nice brochures, so you just basically open it. It's got all the product features and the description of what the product's for. So you can see it's PPF and vinyl wrap. Over here, these are the matte satin and gloss finish, and here's all the things on there, precaution on there. So the only thing I gotta find out from him is whether or not this can be used on matte paint, OEM paint. I do have a coworker that's got some matte paint that could use some coating. The new brochure for Multex, and again, flip it over and it's got the description and available on the sizes that comes in. And we've got the brochure for Elixir, quick detailer, and we flip it over and it gives you the breakdown of what it is, what it does. And a shout out to Mike Merlin Moore. This is based off of, so if you guys have heard of Merlin's Magic Elixir, that's him. And he also included the catalog, which has got a lot of product description. He actually emailed me the thing as well, but you know, it's got the description for each product and what it does. It's a real nice book. You know, gives you, I really haven't looked into it, but it gives you, I just noticed this, it gives you the cut of each product, which is pretty cool, because I was curious to see what the cut scale is on these products. So take a look through this book. It's got a lot of things in there. Those are the new bottles. So here's the Gliss bottle that he sent me. Let's see, here's the new UK bottle. So that's all he sent me here. I mean, he's got me plenty busy. Here's the thing for skin. So the bottle looks like underneath. Comes in the kit. So I want to thank Avi for sending these over to me, and you guys will be seeing reviews popping up of these products and the way I'm using them, and just kind of expose you guys to these products. So again, thanks Avi for sending this out. I know this video was a little longer than some of the other ones, but just wanted to show you guys what's going on with or what you're going to be seeing in the future. So again, thanks Avi. I look forward to using these and trying them out.